Today we're going to do hair curling. To start with the curls, first comb your hair, take up some crown hair. Back combing will give a bounce. To start with the curls, we need to section her hair equally. Say like the crown area, the side areas and the back. Clip it and keep aside. Let's start curling with this area. You will take first the section which is back area. Comb thoroughly to smoothen it. Spray it well. Comb thoroughly, smoothen it. Hold it for a few seconds. Look, the curl is ready. Let's start with the next, which is on the top of your area. Again, we will follow the same procedure. Spray it, smoothen it. Spray, smoothen it and curl it onto the rod. Hold it for a few seconds, say 5 to 10 seconds, release. Now we are onto the front side. How it is? Now moving on to the front hair. We are working out with this partition. Onto the front hair, we want more of onto the straighter side, and only at the ends we need curls. So smoothen it out. So spray onto the ends. Again smoothen. We will just roll it onto the back so that it will fall from the crown and at the same time it will be in control at the ends. We will repeat the same onto her left side. Comb to smoothen it, curl it onto the back. And here the curls are. Now the final, to keep your hair intact for a long time, you give a light spray. Run your fingers around your curls so that made up look will go and the natural curls will be seen and we get the volume. Now we'll give some height over here and curls on the sides. Give a height over here, take a crown hair, smoothen it, a mild puff is introduced. Bobby pin to give a little puff onto the front and put it in a crisscross way so that it will hold. Twist the front, twist it onto the inner side and bobby pin it. Slightly roll it and leave few curls over here. We are taking the first curl and clipping it. Next curl, clipping it under the first clipping. The third one, clip it onto the side. Now what we can do with this is, we'll create a roll which looks like a flower. Use a bobby pin on each flower. The third one is here. This type we can make various rounds, various florals and give an uneven finished touch. We can add some floral clips. Wherever we feel that it's empty, we can attach one floral flower to enhance the final finished look. Say something like 6 or 5. I think 5s are looking fine. Let's add up some mang tikka. So make sure the tikka should always fall onto straight. Take the crown hair out, make a center line. Put the bindiya with the small bobby pin. and again back to the side partition. Again the same way, twist it and clip it. This is the latest hairstyle in which I am not introducing much bun, but at the same time it's all messy curls. Can you see the messy curls and the rounds here? It enhances the look of the garment, face and a different look. Let's do it some quick fix braids onto the front and braid style bun, which will take the shape of a floral. Let's do it. Take the front section, braid it, bobby pin to hold the braid. Now onto that side. Take only the front hair. Now let's braid it. Bobby pin to hold the braid. Let's braid the back hair. Create 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3. Braid it, the one section. Can you see this section? Put a bobby pins to hold it. The center section. Let the curls be as it is. No need of combing. So again, braid it. Hold it. This is our last section. Let's braid it. So now how many braids we have done? 2 at the front and 3 at the back. Hold the braid. Make sure that we are taking only the one side and start pulling it. We are only pulling it. Let's roll it and put a bobby pins and put the clips inside so that the clips will not be seen. Once you feel that this is intact and hold, take another section and again open only onto the one side. Then we'll braid it, join here. Put the ends inside to get the finished look. Again, we are repeating the same thing, opening up. And let's roll these on the top of all these. And here is our floral bun. Let this tail go in. Let's work out with the front braids. As this is on our right hand side, we are opening the front, the right hand side braids. And clip it onto the, tuck these extra hairs in. Same we will do onto the left side. The left side one will open right. Now tuck this in. This bun can be accessorized with something like this kind of studs. This is called as U-pins. Let's put it onto the ends of every curl, not onto the curl. Ta-da! Oh, it's Let's work out with the twisting hairstyle. We're going to take a higher onto the crown side and center crown. So we're going to attach, called as D-clip. So to attach a D-clip, leave the front hair, keep aside. We're working on with crown hair. Make a section in such a way so that the D will fix in it. Smoothen the hair. Section it cleanly, not the back hair. Check the D whether you can fix in. Yeah, fix the D. Comb, back comb very well so that we will get enough of puff. Overlapping the D, make it smooth and bobby pin it. Crisscross the bobby pin. Now take the front crown hair, back comb Smoothen it out. Spray to hold the puff. Smoothen it out and bobby pin the hair. Make a clean section. Let's start with the twisting. Comb the curls, detangle, smoothen it. Take the front section, take all the hair from both the sides, little up, one section here, and same way onto this side too, like a ponytail. Now create a hole at the center, where at the center of the ponytail. Put your ponytail in and out. Let's take it. Another section, same. Some section hair from here, few from here. Again we'll put a tight rubber band here. We'll repeat the same. Flip the pony inside this. Now the last, take two sections. Rubber band. The third one is again we are flipping it inside. Twist it, go up, come back. In this, instead of bobby pin, we will use U-pins. Can you see the twisters here? Twister 1, 2, here also twistings, and the twisters here. These are the U-pins. And our sides now. Twist the sides, create roundels to give the final look. We are doing the same. Twist, and U-pin it. Create the rounds the way we made there, that side. Now we're going to do straightening the hair. Can we see the curls here? And we will make it flat ironing. Straightening is smoothing the hair so that it will give a clean finish. Before we start the straightening hair, we need to section the hair. Make a hair sections. Clip it. The crown hair to be taken. Section it. Again, section and keep aside. For straightening, we don't have to section a lot because this is a very easiest procedure. Straightener which has a ceramic plate. Why we choose a ceramic plate is to give the smoothness and safety of our hair. Take a section, go through it. Take a comb once again to get the finished straightened hair. Let's finish all inside hair. Always while straightening or curling, detangle your hair, smoothen it, and then straighten or curl. Once again, to get the final finished straighten hair. Oh, here it is. If you feel that you cannot manage like the way I am doing, then you can of course section each and every hair and clip it and take one by one to straighten it. Let's do it once again. And here it is. You can iron it twice, thrice to get the desired smoothness. Now let's start opening the sections. Comb the crown hair. This is really quite a big section, so I'm making it into half. Let's do this one. If you see the steam is coming, it means sometimes if you hold your straightener, your hair strand, and if you find the steam coming, it means your hair is burning. So avoid that keeping on to one place. Always use detangling comb for less hair fall. Section it in the last front side and our straightening is done. Here you are ready to flaunt your straightened hair. Let's have a quick look at a French bun when you are in a hurry and nothing to do. So not to worry. Comb your hair, smoothen it well, twist it, go up and try to put all this inside the and clip it. Let's add up some bounce. To add up a bounce, take your front section, comb backward, take another section, comb backward, release, comb backward, and look, we got a bounce. How it is? To keep these curls intact for 7 to 8 hours, you can spray it and run your fingers as and when required. Now let's do some hairstyles which will match with her lehenga. Something like hairbands will do, and hairbands can be studded. I'm taking first hairband, ear side, from the corner of the hair. We have to start braiding. Hold a section and clip it here so that this won't disturb you. Section the hair behind the ear. I'm taking this entire section and braid it the regular way. Clip it to hold. Now we're doing the same thing onto from this side. Again we will do the same thing what we did, that we have taken the hair from her ear, clip this. Now we'll repeat the same thing what we have done on our left side. 3 sections and braid. Braid till the end or as much as you can. Again bobby pin to hold it. Now let's work out with the crown hair. All hair to be flattened and back. Till we set our hairband, we will clip these. Now this side we're flipping onto our right and clip it behind the ears. Same way, this one we will be flipping it onto right, and again the same way we'll be clipping it behind the ear. And smoothen your back hair. And here is the hairband ready.